As the President CEO of Asian Student Achievement, it's very important that we are making sure that we're enhancing the soft skills at colleges and universities and conferences. It's so important to have those skills when you go into the real world.
We are a tight-knit community, and something that I really pride ourselves on is because we really do support one another in all our endeavors and encourage each other to grow and to prosper in the future.
From actually being in a professional setting, I'm able to gain more insight onto things that I wouldn't have ever considered before. I recently attended with our team a speaking engagement about networking, and even though I'm a part of the team, there was so much that I learned just from being there, and I think it's a very helpful experience not only to hone your skills but to gain more insight about the other fields that are within the organization.
Learn about skills of soft skills such as public speaking, interviewing techniques, resume, cover letter writing, and even how to interact with professionals as well as colleagues and even internal and external clients. And we are there to not only help you, but we think that we will give you something that you will be able to take for the rest of your life.